And today Carter and I are going to be testing out the DEERC Z65 Ultra Modern RC aircraft. It has 4 channels. It does aerobatics with the simple push of a button, so it's perfect for beginners. It's a styrofoam plane. It's lightweight. You can fly it anytime, anywhere. No registrations or licenses needed. And what we're going to do is just show you what you get, and we're going to fly it. So let's get into it. All right, so here is the little plane. It says gyro automatic stabilization, so it has a gyro, large capacity battery. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Batteries. These are not included, these are for the controller. You will get a booklet. You're gonna get your birds right here for the aircraft. You can snap them off and on. You're gonna get a couple sets of wheels. You're gonna get a couple different batteries. You're going to get a battery charger. Of course, we did open this to charge it up. So you have the rear wheels and a spare set, but in here you also have some spares as well, as far as like 2 front wheels. It looks like a nose cone protector, a screwdriver, just everything you need to do some maintenance. You even have a couple extra propellers in there. And it's nice that they give you these parts to keep you flying. And you're going to have your controller right here, which you have your off-on button, your throttle stick, your steering stick, your function button. You have your speed selector for how fast you want to go, and this is your 360 stunt button. So what we're going to do is use the screwdriver. We're going to put the AA batteries in here and then get it going. All right, and all we have to do now is put our battery in. All right, and just like that, we're ready to fly. All right, we're going to power it up. We have the controller on. Turn the plane on. Is the plane on? You got to put the stick up and all the way down. And check that out. We have flaps. Pretty cool. And we have... And I'll just pick it up and rotate it. See the flaps working? That means the gyro is working. Nice. Are you ready?
Yep.
Can you handle it?
Yep.
He's never flown this plane before. He has flown other DEERC planes, but not one quite like this. So let's see how he does. And I'm sure we're going to find out how durable it is. You ready? You saved it. Come back over here. Turn, turn. Better turn. Boy, you barely missed that. Turn. Did you really? You ready? Well, we're about to find out how durable it is. All right, so Carter's been having trouble with steering, and he made a discovery.
Turn left or right, the props will lower speed to assist with turning.
You can turn sharper if you use this stick and this stick. So let's see how it goes. All right, are you ready? Well, we know it's durable. All right, new location. We're gonna try. Let's go. Make sure you have plenty of room to fly. There you go. So much easier when you have room, huh?
Try to have it do a barrel roll.
Why are you going that way? Try it again. Well, you can't. Well, it looks to be a nice little flyer. Once we got him in a nice open space, he's not having any issues. He's actually able to fly it. So, lesson learned, get in a big open field. He got confused. He's lost, so he wants to put it in the tree. Like that, Carter?
Yeah.
Oh. But I did it. All right, so about 6 crashes later, and the airplane is completely unscathed. It still looks perfect. Dad has proven that he can fly. The plane flies great. Carter, he's taken in some notes. He's going to try again. But at least you know that you can definitely learn to fly with this little guy, because it's going to take the crashes. All right, Carter, let's do it. You just tap the 360 button, and then after it beeps, push to one side or the other. But get it controlled before you try it. Do it. Nope, turn. Throttle, throttle. You got it. You did the loop and everything. Yeah, you didn't learn from your dad very well, did you? Try to turn it around. There you go. Do a barrel roll. See? Turn, turn. Oh, so close.
That cloud is totally clutch. It's done.
He almost scored. See? Oh, I did a backwards one. So you can loop either way. I hit that auto level thing. After this, like, get it at a lower level. Oh, turn, turn. Keep going. Get it at a good level and hit that level button, see if it holds level. I found when you try to turn while you're under full throttle, it'll take off quicker. Like a good level, and then hit that button and see if it holds level. Yeah, go ahead. Is it maintaining level?
Yeah.
That makes it easier, don't it?
Yeah.
So it does have the altitude hold button, which is nice. Carter, you went from hero to zero so fast. Or zero to hero. Uh-oh. Battery getting low. See if you can land it. Where are you landing? In Egypt? You really wanted to walk, didn't you? Good job. Good flight. You want to get the other battery? Since we're here, huh? So as you can see, the little DEERC plane is very cool indeed. It turned us from no flyers into full flyers in the matter of one battery pack. We both learned how to do barrel rolls, loops. It has an altitude hold. It can take many crashes, as we have proven. We've hit trees, we've hit the ground very hard during loops, and overall it's a nice, fun beginner plane. What do you think, Carter?
It's really fun, and the barrel rolls and flips are really nice.
So you can take this out to a park and people will think you've been flying for years, really, when it's your first day. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.